This is us again with our 2001 Suburban rebuild on our sound system. Blacked out, trying to get it blacked out. Did the windows, limo, can't really see inside. I did my custom front grille black and the bottom lights kind of tinted. And then did my tail lights. Just enough to where it just looks blended in with the car. Sundown audio sticker. Just trying to get it all blacked out. Did the big 3 a couple days ago. Put in the new yellow top Optima. Got the 0 gauge wires running from the new 275 amp alternator we got. Got these brand new Rockford super tweeters put in to each side of the iPad console. Looks pretty nice. Turn this on, let you look at it. Accessory connected, says before you turn it on.
Getting on my name, so they used to call me Black. If you beat me for a 20, betcha I'ma call you back. She on the dope man, cause I'm a nigga with a sack. I'm the hustler of the year, and I know that for a fact. When I first started back in 1995, I wasn't moving keys.
Got the new Kenwood Exelon. 4-volt. We might later get this done with 2 6.5s back here and 2 more super tweeters, Rockford. Got the 6x9s and the doors back there. That's what we might do. We might do custom door panels up front to fit more mids and highs in this, to get manual or automatic windows put in. And that's about it. We'll keep you posted with some more videos soon. Thanks for watching.